Once upon a time, in a serene village nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived a young and curious student named Hiro. Hiro had heard tales of Zen philosophy, which emphasized finding joy in the simplest of actions and embracing the interconnectedness of all things. Inspired by these teachings, Hiro decided to explore the notion of mindfulness by practicing the art of pebble skipping. One sunny morning, Hiro made his way to a nearby calm lake with a handful of smooth pebbles in his pocket. The lake's surface was tranquil, mirroring the blue sky above. As Hiro approached the water's edge, he took a deep breath, clearing his mind of any distractions. Gently picking up a pebble, Hiro held it in his hand, feeling its weight and texture. He observed its smooth surface and the patterns etched into its sides, marveling at the natural beauty within such a simple object. With a flick of his wrist, Hiro sent the pebble gliding across the water. As the pebble danced across the lake's surface, it created a series of mesmerizing ripples. Hiro watched in awe as the ripples expanded, intersecting with one another and forming intricate patterns. Each pebble skip carried a message of simplicity, echoing the idea that even the smallest actions can have a profound impact. Hiro continued to skip pebbles, each skip becoming more skillful and deliberate than the last. He discovered that his focus was crucial. By immersing himself in the present moment, he could experience a profound sense of joy and connection. Unbeknownst to Hiro, a small group of children had gathered nearby, intrigued by his artistry. They watched as the pebbles skipped and the ripples multiplied, their eyes widening with wonder. One by one, the children joined Hiro, trying their hand at the gentle art of pebble skipping. Laughter filled the air as they celebrated each successful skip, delighting in the simplicity of the activity. As the day progressed, word of Hiro's pebble skipping mastery spread throughout the village. People of all ages flocked to the lake, eager to witness this captivating display. Families picnicked by the water's edge, enjoying the spectacle and sharing stories of their own experiences with mindfulness and finding joy in simplicity. In this way, Hiro's pebble skipping became a symbol of unity, bringing together the villagers in a shared appreciation for the beauty of the present moment. The ripples that Hiro created not only traveled across the lake but also touched the hearts of those who witnessed them, inspiring them to seek joy in the ordinary and cherish the interconnectedness of all things. And so, the legend of Hiro's pebble skipping lived on, reminding generations to come of the power of mindfulness and the extraordinary beauty that can be found in the most ordinary acts.